In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to access Google Earth and use it to measure distances on a map. So if you don't, Google Earth is free to download. I just Googled it, Google Earth here, came up, and you can actually click on this link, download Google Earth, and download it. It's free. It's reliable. It's not going to get any viruses or anything when you download it. So you can download it on your home computer. If you're using our laptops in the energy management department, they already have Google Earth downloaded. So if I want to actually go to Google Earth, I'll open it up, and it'll be under Programs in Google Earth. So you come up to this, and this is, it's an amazing program. As you can see, I'm just taking the mouse and I'm dragging it around, so I can, sort of spin it if I want to. I can zoom in manually by either using the wheel, which is what I normally use. You can also use the buttons up here to zoom in and out. And you can rotate, and you can do all kinds of manipulations. So if I'm going to find and measure a distance, so let's do the same address that we did, 43 Chaucer Drive. In another video we did the same address. So if you just click in an address in the search bar, and you can just click enter. And I'm not doing this, it's zooming in on its own. And so, that's unbelievable what data we have available to us. So you can, again, I like to use my mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Okay, so you can grab and you can shift around, so I'm just right-clicking and moving the screen. You can navigate, you can change the north, you can go forward and back. Another thing you can do is rotate your view, so you see how I hit this down arrow and it actually rotates to more of a top-down view, and then go back to see more of a side view. Okay, so you can do all kinds of manipulations here. So let's say I want to measure a distance. We'll go to the same house that we were at before. And you can zoom in a little closer than you can on Google Maps. So let's just gotta get it out of the way here. So there's a bunch of tools up here. I'm not going to go over them. But here's a measurement tool. So you just click on it, show the ruler. This little dialog box pops up. And you can see I have a little crosshairs here. And I just simply right click. There's, it's going to... So there's my distance, 53 feet. I can change this to anything I want. If I want to do miles or meters, whatever you're into, you can do. If you want inches. Okay, and then you actually just click on you click on a point, and there you go. Got a different distance in inches, change it to feet, and so forth. Okay, so it's very easy to do. Anywhere, you can just click on the map. What's also nice about this, see how I still have my crosshairs, but if I want to move the map, I can actually click and drag, even though my tool is active. So that's another nice feature. If I want to kind of go up here and measure this driveway, I can do that. And you can also grab the point and move it around just like you do in Google Maps. You can also do some stuff with paths. So you can actually you can go from one point and basically, each segment of that line, it's going to tell you the distance of each segment there. You can clear it out, start a new one. The Pro is an upgrade. But anyway, so that's how you can use Google Earth to measure distances on a map. And you could zoom out and measure really long distances. So if I want to look, the distance of this from this point on the road to the railroad tracks, there it's 2,000 some feet. It's almost half a mile. So that's how you measure using Google Earth. And this is preferable to using Google Maps. Things are a little more precise here.